All of us love to have paan after a meal. Today, we are going to do magic with a traditional paan recipe. Paan Rolls is a combination of beetle leaves, Gulkand, that is rose jam, few spices, and ice cream. Let's get started. We have taken few paan leaves. These are cleaned and dried. So we will discard the topmost part of these leaves and we'll chop these leaves roughly. So in a blender, both in the paan leaves, Gulkand, rose jam, spices, fennel seeds, cardamom and cloves, desiccated coconut, 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, few ice cubes. Let's blend it. We'll add little water. It's blended and now let's strain it. Let's serve it. We'll garnish it with some rose petals. Every sip of this aromatic drink will tickle your taste buds. Give it a try for your upcoming party. I'm sure it's gonna be a showstopper. Today, I'm going to show you a very popular Indian dessert called Malpuas. There are different ways of making Malpuas, but this is my version of making it easy and instant. I have taken some warm milk. Let's add saffron or kesar to it. Stir it nicely and keep aside. We will make the sugar syrup first. For this, we need equal quantities of water and sugar. In a pan, pour in sugar and water. Mix well and cook on medium flame for 7 to 10 minutes or until the sugar is of one-thread consistency. Let me check this. This looks perfect. Let's switch off. Let's add the flavoring agents to the sugar syrup, saffron and cardamom. Cardamom or elaichi powder, saffron milk. Mix it well. You can also add yellow food color if you want. Our sugar syrup is ready. Let's move on to the next step. Now I'm going to make the instant batter for the Malpuas. In a bowl, let's add maida or all-purpose flour, fresh cream or malai. Mix it. Add little milk and mix well to form a smooth batter. Ensure there are no lumps. Next, add in the fennel or sauf, kali mirch or whole peppercorns. Mix it. The consistency should be thick. Allow this to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Grease a non-stick tawa with some ghee or clarified butter. Pour a spoonful of batter and spread it lightly to make small and thick circles like pancakes. I can make 3 at a time. Apply little ghee on top as well. Cook on medium heat until the bottom turns lightly golden brown. Let's flip and check. Look at these. Let the other side also cook. It takes around 3 to 4 minutes to get this beautiful color on each side. All our Malpuas are cooked. Let's dip them in warm sugar syrup. Put sugar syrup all over it. Flip it. I'm going to put all the Malpuas. Let this sit in the sugar syrup for 4 to 5 minutes and our malpuas will be ready. For the plating, I am going to brush cold rubbery on both the sides of the plate and then place the yummy malpuas. I am going to garnish it with some chopped nuts, chopped almonds and pistachios. These turned out super soft and full of flavor. Hot malpuas served with cold rubbery are so delicious. What are you waiting for? Rush into your kitchen and try making these quick malpuas for your loved ones. I'm sure they will like it. After dinner, desserts and paan is a must in any Indian celebration. And this recipe is a fusion of both. I'm going to show you how to make paan rolls. These bite-sized desserts are super yummy and refreshing. Let's begin with the recipe. In a pan, take khova or mawa, desiccated coconut, condensed milk. If you don't have mawa, then you can add milk powder, double the quantity of coconut. I have taken 5 paan leaves, little milk and blended it. You can also finely chop the paan leaves and add. Next, little green food color. Mix everything together. Cook on medium heat for around 10 minutes until the mixture leaves the pan and becomes solid like this. Let this cool and come to room temperature. Meanwhile, we will prepare our Gulkand stuffing. Take little khova or milk powder, mixed nuts, soft sweet supari, Gulkand, soft powder. Mix nicely. Cook on medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes until everything comes together. Switch off the flame. Here are our 2 mixtures. Now pop both these mixtures into the refrigerator for 30 to 45 minutes. I am going to grease my surface and place the Gulkand stuffing. Roll it with your hands to give a log or cylinder shape. Keep it aside and take the other mixture. Roll it similarly. And then flatten it. Now place the Gulkand roll in between and cover it with the paan layer. Seal it so that the stuffing is packed nicely. Roll again to even the surface. Sprinkle some coconut powder and roll over it. This looks so pretty. I'm going to pack this roll in a cling wrap and put it in the refrigerator for an hour to set. Let's open it. Now I'm going to cut it into half-inch slices. Roll it between your fingers to give a perfect round shape. Coat with some more coconut and our delicious paan rolls are ready. Don't you think it's a unique dessert, easy to make and super delicious? So please give this a try and let me know your experience in the comment section. These paan rolls can be served as dessert for mouth freshener after a meal, and it is sure to please your guests and family. Holi is the festival of colors and is incomplete without Thandai. Thand means cold, therefore Thandai is a drink which keeps you cool and refreshing. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make Thandai syrup, which can be used to make instant Thandai anytime. Let's begin. In a bowl, take kaju, pistachios, poppy seed or posto, saunf or fennel seed, black pepper or kali mirch. Pour in some water. You can also add watermelon seed or mothers if you have. Keep it aside and add almonds in another bowl. Pour in water. I have soaked almonds separately as we need to peel the skin. Let it soak for good 6 to 7 hours. In a small bowl, take kesar or saffron, add hot water and soak for 30 minutes. After 7 hours, it will look like this. Now add the almonds into a blender jar. Next, our nuts and spice mixture, Gulkand or rose jam, peeled elaichi or cardamom. Add water and grind it into a very smooth paste. Some water and then blend to make a smooth mixture like this. Keep it aside. Into a big pan, take sugar, water. Now stir and cook until the sugar dissolves. And then add the blended mixture. Mix it properly. Stir and cook at medium heat for good 10 to 15 minutes. Cooking this nuts and spice mixture acts as a preservative and increases the shelf life of the syrup. You can add water and cook if the syrup thickens. Adjust the consistency as per your liking. Ensure that you keep on stirring, otherwise the syrup will overflow. At this point, reduce the flame and add the soaked saffron, rose essence, stir it. This looks and smells amazing. I'm going to add little yellow food color. It is optional, but this will make your drink bright and yellow. Cook for another 2 minutes and done. I've transferred the syrup into a clean glass jar. Allow the syrup to cool completely and then I'll show you how to make instant Thandai. In a blender, add cold milk, ice cubes and the Thandai syrup. Churn it and the Thandai is ready to drink. If you don't need ice, then add some Thandai syrup and cold milk in a glass and stir it to make your own drink. Garnish with some finely chopped pistachios. This is a very popular Indian summer coolant. On this colorful festival, give this Thandai recipe a try and impress your family and friends. This fresh homemade Thandai tastes heavenly, far better than the ready-made mixes available. You can store the syrup in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 months or even more. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to our channels, eat healthy and stay happy. See you next time.